we're getting soaked there then.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me.
Morning guys. Here we are on Wednesday morning, day 4 of this little trip in North Devon, Heartlands Quay in North Devon. What a view down there, you guys, look at that. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I've got like the windsock thing on to try and get the wind down a bit so it's not so bad. We're going for a walk after up there and across. There's a waterfalls apparently somewhere in one of them crevices coming in. So we're going to have a walk there. There's a hotel down here, Heartlands Hotel, just down there. The rain has stopped now, but last night it rained all night, and we were on a campsite last night for obviously for electric and showers and everything. So it was a bit interesting this morning because I thought, am I going to get off this where we are on the pitch that we were on, because it was on a slight slope back. But luckily yesterday I put the levelers out on the back end, so the back end was up on a bit of a ramp, so that gave me a bit of a shove off, and I managed to get out with getting stuck because it was just all waterlogged where we were. So yeah, I got out without getting bogged or stuck. So yeah, we come down here. There's a windy road that's going to be steep going back out though, all the way up there where we are now. So here's Ivy parked up. We just came down here and decided to have some breakfast down here. I think Dizzy's having his dinner or breakfast. So we're just going to get ready in a minute. Claire's there washing up. Hey, that's my job.
I know, slacking.
So yeah, we're going to have a walk across the top in a minute and down to where that hotel is and the viewpoint. So catch you in a minute. So here we go guys, this is down by that hotel I was telling you about. Look at the cliffs and rocks down there. A bit rugged, isn't it? There's no beach here. No beach holiday here guys. So yeah, this is the hotel. We're going to walk down this bit here, down here, and round to that viewing point just over there. And then back up to the top past the van, and then down along top of the cliff to the waterfalls. So yeah, let's take you around the corner. Well guys, on that sign there it says to the beach. We'll see. So you can see there's the hotel, there's little shops as well here. This is the hotel. So walk down here. No dogs beyond this point.
Well, you can go whatever.
Yeah, I'll have a quick look first. There's no dogs, we better adhere to it because I think this hotel is only for residents only anyway, so. What a view. So this is probably the northernmost tip, or the most northernmost tip of Devon you can get to. There is a lighthouse around the corner there, around the head, and there's a lighthouse. Might go there later, don't know yet. That's what they class down there is to the beach. Have a look in a minute. Wow. Steep. Very steep and rocky coastal this is, isn't it? So here we have it. Bit windy, guys. I know you're picking this up all right. Just see the roof of ivy right up there, just about. Jeez. It's a bit rotten there as well. That's not long before that's going to be giving way. Bet you this is rough in the winter. So yeah, let's we'll go back now and Claire come and have a quick look, and we'll go to the beach. Guys, going to have a quick walk down here to what they say is the beach. Claire's going to stop up there with Gizzy for a minute. It's a bit rocky and rugged down here. Type of beaches I like, I've got sand, not rocks. I suppose it's the seafront, isn't it, the shore. So yeah, we have it. Tide must be out quite a bit at the moment, I would say. Look at that rock formation there, it's like that. And there's a slipway here. This is what it's for. I wouldn't like to launch a boat from here, would you? Unless you want a hole in the bottom of it in the end, even with the tides in. Should imagine it comes up quite high though, looking at it. Look at that there, archway, walk through. See where that's eroded over the years. Amazing that, look at that. In front. Another few thousand years and that'll be gone on the floor. So there you have it, guys. That be the beach. Catch you in a bit. Guys, it was a working quay years ago in the 16th century. Used to bring in coal and wheat. 16th century appears. Yeah, so it was a working port until the 1970s. There's a lot of films been filmed here as well. Disney's Treasure Island, The Shout, Water, Pepper House, Warzone, Hercules, just to name a few films that have actually been filmed here as well. So yeah, it was a working port all them years ago, until it obviously got destroyed by storms. Yeah, it was shipped in, slate and coal was shipped in, and barley and that was, wheat was shipped back out. It was a working one up until the 1896. Yeah, there's a bit of history on it, so it was a working quay. Here we are, guys, now up on the headland walk alongside the cliffs. There's the hotel down there. I was reading out there's a lot of films being made over the years there, which was on that picture. I'll put a picture up. There's Ivy parked over there. So we'll carry on round the corner around the headland here. See where there's a load of sheep down there. I've got the wind thing on, so hopefully you can pick up quite a bit.
Black sheep?
Yeah, black sheep on the headland. They're rugged little buggers, aren't they? To get down there. So yeah, we're going around there somewhere. We're just speaking to someone. They said it's about a sort of half an hour to an hour's walk roughly, so we're going to have a look where it is. Catch you in a bit. You know, if you have a look how it's eroding away year by year, it's just eroding away, and black sheep or brave buggers down there. Gizzy keeps going near the edge. Good job we got that harness on him, keep pulling him back out the way. But yeah, it's just eroding away over the years, isn't it? It's amazing how the rocks just fit into the water, isn't it? So we're carrying on round and round that headland around the corner there. So keep pushing on. There you go, got one of the waterfalls. We've got headland around there, carry on round. Stream coming in from the hills. Yeah, all the heather and that on the moor. Nice bit of colour. Nice stroll walk along here, this is. When you're at the wind it's alright. When you're in that wind it doesn't have to back you about. Catching a bit. Hey guys, we're round to the headland now. Probably where this waterfalls is, just there, I'd say where all them people are. But look how spectacular a view that is. Even people down there coming down that walkway steps, looking onto the rocks and beach. Bit of sand there, look, bit of beach. Get your deck chair out. It's a good walk that. You can see where them people are, where we've come all the way around there, around that headland there. Just gonna go carry on further round now up here, around the corner, around and down to where the waterfall is. Well, that's what we hope anyway. It's not a lot further. Catching a bit. Guys, this is what we did the walk for. This is the waterfalls. Cascading down the cliff. Making its way out to sea. Mother Nature at its best. It's all the rain we had last night is probably why it's really cascading down at the moment. It's where we just walked along that headland there and down some steep steps down there. We were just saying off Google Earth, when we had a look on Google Earth, you could see camper vans were parked here, which we thought never, but looking at it, there is a road coming down here. I wouldn't like to bring the Iveco down here, to be honest, but probably people have. There's a road going all the way up down there, coming down here, and there's reams of some fire pits over here. So somebody's had some fire pits and camping out here. Look, there's a fire pit there, has been, just over there. So I reckon, yeah, they've used this for camping, definitely camping, because you can see there's a road in, people have been in and out. And I say on Google Earth, we noticed, didn't we, that there was camper vans parked here, and I was, how do we get there? I'm glad we parked where we are though, to be honest, because I wouldn't like to tackle that. Need some good tyres on the, all-terrain tyres on the van before I start doing that sort of stuff, I think. So here we have it, back down the other side where the bit of sand down there. You can see why now. Gadget John, you and CJ and Lost in Europe, you guys have all got them all-terrain tyres on your vehicles, on your vans, for coming places like this. I think I need to get some on mine as well, so don't get stuck like I nearly did this morning. But yeah, look at this cliff drop down there. So yeah, I think Ash, I'm going to get some like you've got on your Iveco, try and find out what ones you've got on yours, which is Ash Lost in Europe. You can check his vlogs out on YouTube. Right, I'm going to tackle going down this stepway down to the bottom. catch you in a bit, hopefully. Right guys, you're going to come with me for the walk down these steep steps. Here we go. Steep, it's wet, see that's the trouble at the moment. These footholds. Because I've got the hiking boots on today. As my dad always says, make sure you got the right foot aware on for doing this sort of stuff, and you can't go wrong. Yeah, I'm going to tempt this bit now down here. Claire and Gizzy stayed up the top there because you don't want to tempt this coming down here, especially with gears. Somebody has with the dogs. I see some dogs, or a dog down there. And steps. What views though, eh? Nice part of the country this, isn't it? So we'll climb back up this, will. Into them other stairways just there. I mean, look, there's another set of stairways. Then you're down then. Just noticed on the there was a chair, a tribute to somebody who's only 21 who must have died. But he said in his love of surfing gear, I wouldn't like to surf out there in that, whatever the weather. Bless him. So, more steps down here. Looks like it used to be a proper stairways. Look at that concrete. That's obviously eroded and gone. That was from some years ago, I bet. The remains of the old steps there, look. Put these in now, the wooden ones. So where I've just come down. There, look. So here we are, nearly onto the cobbles. Onto the beach. Ooh, this is cliff. Drop straight off this cliff, does it? Look, this slab. Just go watch your footing, then you're okay then, aren't you? Across here then down, I think. Notice how it goes in different shades. And we're at the bottom. There we go, we're on the beach. Yeah, there will be a bit of a climb back up that well. But yeah, we're up for it, aren't we? So yeah, look. Wow, all these slabs all go out, all these stone. Find that bit which is the beach. Which is just down here. See how it's eroding, can't you, over the years? It's just eroding away year by year. We were saying, Claire and I, when we were coming up the top there, where them people were just then, where the fencing is, given another, I don't know, 10 years or more, that'll be gone. There'll be another fence and be another walkway, stepping 7 or 8 foot back. Just don't want to be about when that drops down, would you? So right, let's have a walk over here to the beach. There we are, and there be sand. That's it. Bit of sand between the rocks. These guys, I can say, have been on the beach today. Quick walk down here, going further out towards the sea. That waterfall's amazing though between there, isn't it? Obviously all that rain last night, as I was saying before, heavy rain we had. That's why we got so much of the waterfall cascading down. So I'll end it there for a minute, catch you in a bit. Bye for now. Claire up there, look, waving with Gizzy. Top of the mountain. Seaweed everywhere here, look. So far away up there, aren't they? Seashells and that. Try and make my way over to that top there to see if, ooh, wait in that water then, see if I can see the, there it is, look, the waterfalls. This is where it gets slippy, look, with this stuff about seaweed everywhere, snails. Should be going, what's he doing? This is slippy, guys, here. See, the trouble is you've got seaweed on these rocks, that's when it does get slippy. Take the time. Crazy down here when the tide's in, wasn't it? Wow. Like you wouldn't want to be here, would you? So there is the waterfalls, guys, coming down. That's the bottom of the waterfalls. There. Hello! Gizzy going, what's that idiot doing? Oh, that's a slab. Right. Catch you over there in a little bit. Bye for now. Here we are, guys, the bottom of the waterfalls. Down there at some pace, that is, isn't it? That's where I was a minute too, on top of that slab. It's got a beautiful day, it's really warm now. I'm half warmed up from earlier on. And down there, right old pace, isn't it? Feel the spray off it here. Can you hear that droning of it? Some power that is coming down there. Getting soaked there then. Bit better, that was coming some old pace there. I was saying earlier I wish I'd have brought the drone, but it was too windy earlier to fly the drone here. It's a pity, never mind. That's amazing coming down there. And there it goes out to sea. Right guys, I'm going to make my way back up the cliffside. Catch you later. Hi guys, so here we are now in Bude in Cornwall now. We're down into the start of Cornwall, I believe. Is that correct, Claire?
Yes.
Cornwall. So we're just going to have a quick walk before we go into the main town itself, where there's classed as a canal down in the main town, where a canal comes into the sea. So we're going to have a look, but first of all we're going to go onto the beach. There's a beach entrance here, so we're just going to have a quick look. We parked on this car park, which is only £2.50 for 2 hours, so that ain't too bad. Got a couple of hours before we carry on going to the campsite for the night. So yeah, let's go and have a bit of a look, see what Bude Beach is like. Bye for now.
How nice is that?
We're going to walk into town in a minute anyway, so that's your beach, Bude Beach.
Shall I let him go?
No, don't let him go. Wait.
Little huts, yeah. Busy, isn't it? So there you have it guys, Bude Beach. Speak to you later. Hi guys, so we came away from the beach there, it was just crammed. Very busy. Sort of about coronavirus and keep your distance, there was all on top of each other. So we'll come down, this is the river I was on about just here. River comes down into the sea, and then the other side, this bridge over here, there's what they call the canal, which then stops, which goes into the sea. So we'll have a look what that's about now. We were just looking as well at the parking they've got. You could park a bus there for overnight, 24 hours, which was £10. Cars could park, but just as you came out, you got no overnight camping or camper vans between the hours of 11 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So again, no overnight parking, because we thought for a minute then you could park there. As usual, no. Bude Methodist Church. So yeah, we'll catch you a bit further around the corner. So here we go guys, this is the class as the canal, Bude. Quick walk up the top here. More like a boating lake, isn't it? Plenty of tea rooms and coffee places and ice creams, they're all open again now. So yeah, we got some boats in here, sailing boats, river boats by the looks of it. And yeah, there's locks down there, so it is a lock of sort. Quick walk up here then, see what catch you. So we have guys, that's the river coming into the sea. There's that beach we were on earlier. And Ivy's just parked there. Camper, see on the car park just over there. And this This is the canal. Comes down to some canal gates down here, so we'll just carry on to down by the gates. Yeah, here we have then, guys, the canal, like on a normal big, you know, canal gates. Lock gates, as they call them. There's the beach where we were before. Busy though, look at it, crazy. And the river coming in, out to sea.
I can see what you were on about. Huh?
So we've got
Yours kept saying to me, Mum, we
lock
need to
gates,
go.
which is, I suppose, when the tide's in, they can bring it up to level, and they're out to sea. Yeah, it's a traditional lock gate like you'd have on a canal, but then that allows them to go out to sea from here when the tide's up, I suppose, tide's in. It's different, isn't it? This is just up the other side of the canal. There's a lot of surfing and bodyboards, as they call them, on the go here at the moment. So yeah, till later, catch you in a bit. I just noticed something, guys. Obviously it's not working lock gates at the moment because this is lock gate number 1. Lock gate number 2, which should be there, is on there. So at the moment this isn't a working lock. You can see the concept of it, or what it normally does. Come to here, into there, you can alter the water levels there, obviously they'll be able to. But at the moment it's out of action. So there you have it. Right, we're going to head back to the van and off to the park up for tonight. Probably catch you either later on at the park up campsite tonight or tomorrow. Bye for now.